Hi, this is Dr. Graves, and this is a short video tutorial on getting started with Business Analyst Desktop. I like to start with leaving this window open rather than clicking it closed every single time. Click Default Project, and it'll take a moment, but it will open up a window or a map project that has the entire United States. And from it you will zoom in to the area that you would like to focus on. Okay, immediately what I like to do is turn off the base map layer because it takes a great deal of the processing time, and just click on states for a moment to help me figure out where I want to zoom in. We're zooming into Southern California. Notice how much faster that is. I will turn on counties from there and then understand that I'm going to look at the San Fernando Valley. I'm going to zoom in there, and I'm going to turn on, well, I can turn on the zip code layer, and we can see that perhaps I've zoomed too far north, and I will turn the zip code layer on and turn on the county subdivision map, because that's really what I'm interested in. This area here is the San Fernando Valley, and I want to make it my study area, so that's the first thing I'm doing. I clicked on the identify button, and I have all of the information, an enormous amount of information for the San Fernando Valley. I want to select it by clicking on the select feature tool and clicking once on the San Fernando Valley County subdivision. I'm going to click on Business Analyst and click on Study Area, and I'm going to create a new study area from the currently selected shapes. There are other ways of doing it. Some of them work better than others, but this is essentially the zip codes that Business Analyst considers the San Fernando Valley. Click Next, and I will call this Steve's Project San Fernando Valley Study. Something to that effect, and you could create a name. And we want to create a new project for this study area. Click Finish. And we have a new study area. If we zoom out, we'll notice that some of the data is still there, but at this point our processing extent for most of the operations will be held constant here. Once again, we can turn on these sort of base map layers and off in order to see what's going on, but I would argue that once you have found a zoom level that you're comfortable with, you'll notice that it takes a long time for a lot of these things to load. Turn off the water background, land, urban areas, landmarks, hydrology, boundaries, etc. at your preferred zoom location, and that will help it process more quickly. If we turn on a layer like zip codes, that's nice. It covers up some of the information we might want. So I'm going to right click here on zip codes, go to properties, and for display I might want to make it transparent by some factor like 25%. And you click apply, click OK. Now you can see the background layers when you want to see them. If you want to turn them off, you can still kind of tell what's going on. And I'm going to go ahead and save this project for myself on my Z drive. I encourage you to do the same thing. San Fernando Valley that concludes this short video tutorial on setting up a project in Business Analyst.